Okay, hello friends. I have a new video today for you. In this video, what problem came to me is that when I log into my PC, wait a minute, I put my password and the problem came is a blue window came saying that just a moment. Yeah, you see this. प्रॉब्लम ये आ रहा है कि जब मैं लॉगिन करता हूँ तो ये ब्लू विंडो आ जाती है जस्ट अ मोमेंट और ये वेटिंग दिए जा रहा है घूमे जा रहा है एंड this problem came every time when I log into my PC. So in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. You can see that this is waiting and waiting and waiting. Actually this problem is because of some setting issues in the Windows 10, and I will show you how to fix this problem. Okay, after some time it will boot up and show me my desktop. So I'm forwarding this to the desktop screen, and then I will tell you how to fix this problem. This just a moment screen will take I guess 2 to 3 minutes or maybe more to boot up to your desktop screen. So don't be panic, just wait for it. When your desktop screen comes, don't shut down it, because when you shut down it, it will come again. This screen will come again and you have to wait for 5 minutes to boot up to your desktop. So don't shut down it, just wait for it to boot up to your desktop screen. Means don't shut down. Okay, आपने स्क्रीन को इसका वेट करना है आपने, और इसको शट डाउन नहीं करना, क्योंकि आपने शट डाउन कर दिया तो फिर ये दोबारा से रीस्टार्ट होगा और फिर दोबारा ये स्क्रीन आ जाएगी और आपको फिर मज़ीद 4-5 मिनट वेट करना पड़ेगा। तो आपने वेट करना है अपनी डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन के आने तक, क्योंकि जब डेस्कटॉप आएगा, स्क्रीन आएगी, तो वहीं से इसकी सेटिंग चेंज हो सकती है। ओके।